Hello and welcome to another update video about Gala. So Gala chart reversed here back in November in this in one of these support regions. There were two. The upper one was broken, the lower one held for this potential wave 2. Messy chart, messy. Could be a 1-2 setup. That's why I added the support, but as I explained to you, it would have to be some kind of a diagonal pattern that's unfolding to the upside, or even something more difficult. Okay, it's not a great chart, I have to say that again. You see that this is, I mean, I will remove that support area. We don't need it anymore, but I know it is just a messy chart, right? What can I do? From a bullish point of view, I can see potentially that we're now in a third wave. I mean, this is the roadmap I've been highlighting like for more than a year, I think. The idea that we could be in this yellow wave 2. And if I zoom out a little bit, please note that the thesis has been from the beginning, this would be a wave 1 to the downside, which is not bullish. The trend is down long term, especially after the very clear, I mean, there's no way you can call that an impulse. The very clear 3-wave move up into the March high, A, B, C. Then B wave was low, deeper than it would be ideal, but a B wave can be deep. They sometimes create these double bottom structures. So the idea is B wave down, 3 waves, A, B, C. And now we could have started the C wave, but it's not an impulsive start, so it's super difficult. Difficult to trade as well. The clearest invalidation point is the November low at 1.7 cents. And we could say that this is possibly a 1-2. Then we could be in a third wave, which would, however, have to be which has to be an ABC structure in the yellow count, because the wave 1 is an ABC. Then we could get a 4th wave and a 5th wave, and that could be it. Yeah, we might end around 10 cents this bullish run. That would be ideal. I mean, that's the preferred scenario. There is some resistance in the region between 2.7 cents and 5.8 cents. That's the even more bearish scenario, I guess. Yeah. And in this scenario, we have a 1-2, and the wave 2 already topped. And then this is also a 1-2, but this will become less likely above 5.8 cents and is not preferred, but probable. They're both probable and they're both bearish. I don't have a scenario that would send Gala to new all-time highs. I mean, it's possible, anything is possible, but it would be based on some kind of a weird diagonal, which is just, and then I'm very happy if I was wrong, because this is not a clear bullish setup. I mean, again, anybody who wants to trade for that, and even if you want to trade for that C wave in yellow, which could open the door, of course, to more bullish scenarios. I mean, again, I'd like to see further rising prices. Let's first see if we can get to 10 cents. Then the invalidation point, the first one, is the November low. It's just like, still a decent reward to risk ratio. The problem with this chart is, though, there is a lot of resistance along the way. 3.4 cents, 4.2, and 5.8. But these should be broken if we are really following the yellow scenario. I mean, again, I always say it, Elliott wave is like a map, right? The map can change, but it's a map that tells us where things could go wrong along the way. And it's very clear from a reward to risk point of view, the yellow scenario, it should really take us to 10 cents, because first of all, this is the first main resistance for the yellow wave 2. And in addition to that, what we can measure in addition is the 100% extension. That's a very common target for a C wave. And here it would be like 9.5 cents, so very close. Yeah, that would be my ideal and preferred scenario, which I'm going to follow as long as we're holding above the November low. Below that level, it's going to be really difficult. So yeah, that's the update about Gala. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.